everyone, it's Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards. I am going to show you the parallel shifting two-bank system. Okay, it's a parallel shift because of the following. First thing we do is find the center of these two balls where we're going to go. Apparently we have to, obviously we have to go this way towards that pocket and come down to hit this to get the 3 in here. Okay. In order to do that, you have to have this system in place. So the first thing is you find the center of these two balls, the cue ball and the object ball, in this case the 7. The center point being the 6 right here. That's just for, I put that there. Alright, so you get the center point that you're going towards. So this has to be lined up just right. Center point to the center of this ball, which is the center point of these, okay? And then you parallel shift it over right there. And then you put a pad of running English. There you go. Worked out good. You gotta practice that a few times, and it took me a few times to get it right, because you have to have the center point exact, you know. If the center point is over here, it ain't gonna work. Also, when you're doing the shifting, you can't go like this or like this. You have to go straight from butt to tip, you know. It has to be exact. So it's a little tricky. I'll try it one more time. So the center point right now is from here to here, okay? That's a good eyeball on this. All right, now you go like this, get the center, and then we shift. Right there. Try it one more time. Nice. I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have a good day, everyone.